Hello everybody, so today I'm just gonna show you the open source post exploitation framework. So this is byob, so I don't know how to pronounce it, right? So that's why I'm spelling that word, and let's get started with it. So first of all, you need a git. So you can do git let me just do git clone, and we have this URL, and just do enter. So I have already installed it, so that's why it's showing an error. On your PC it's not show any error because it has been a fresh installation. Next step after that is let's go inside the folder. So we have byob, so let's do enter, and let's clear the screen. Let's do ls, and let's go on the with GUI. Let's do enter, do ls. Then here you will see the startup .sh. So for this to run, you do sudo this and startup .sh. After doing that, right, so for this installation it might take a while. So if we just do enter, right, so it will show you this error. So it will show this module not found, no module named. So for this to work, so let's get down, right, where is that? So I have tested it again, so I had removed it, so and it shows again that error. But for this to solve, use to sudo pip install flux bcrypt. So after installing this module it will work. Now there is a next problem. So so if I just do sudo ss after solving that problem, right, let's do enter. So it should be a similar process. So let's wait for it. So here I have already solved it and it's working on my end. So let's wait for it to run, and let's go. So now we are at here, just do n, and now it's running on. So if you find, so it's so solver flux build your own this, right, so here you will find an error before this, right, so it might show that user is not found. So if you found that issue, so what you need to do is come so here so you need to edit this file solver.py file. So let's do enter. So here you need to, so if I do this and set a number, if I show you the number, right, so at line 90, so here you need to change this code. So here this is the modified version, so this is the code you need to write, then it will work. So let's do quit it. So let's come over here. Now let's copy this URL. So copy the link address, then let's go our Firefox, right, and let's make it full screen, or maybe not, let's make it. So let's click it and let's paste and go. So now we are here, so let's do register. and after here, so let me just use the name Sinister Kid, right? And we have the password, and let me just type it, sign up, and let's save it. You have successfully registered it. Then let's do login. So it is quite slow because I have given it a less RAM, that's why. So here what you can see is the module. So here you can select a module, so we can use escalate privilege. So we have process control, port scanner, and so on. So if we do payload, right, payload, and we have the option. So here we have the format, Python, yes, select the Python, or you can make it executable and select the operating system. So let's do Linux, and we have the architecture. So if we do i36, so this is for 32-bit. So let's generate it. Now it's generating it. So here this might take a few minutes, so let's wait. Now we have successfully created the payload, so let's download it. So let's do open this Sony folder. So, or we could just go inside the terminal and let's open new terminal, and let's zoom in a little bit. So we were inside in the download folder. So now we can do Python -n -http dot server. So let's choose our port 8000. Now we have created the port, so we can download the file, right? So let me go on my next, right, terminal. Let me be here, and let's do split the horizontally. So for this, if I do cd, so if I go on download, right, so let's go inside download and ls. So we have the file name, this, and our IP address. Let's check our 192. So we can do so let me come over here and let's do duplicate. Then we have the SSTP. Yes, let's do 192.168.1.192. I think that's the IP address, and it's on port 8000, and we have the file name, this. No, that's not it. Let's copy that again. Copy this selection and let's paste it over here. and let's do enter. Now we have the file. That means let's clear it out, clear this out, and we can do sudo cch mode and by in this let's do the password, then let's run this. So before running this, right, let's go on to our browser. So here, yeah, let's go on our control and let's wait for it. So let's wait for it to load. Here we need, so let's run this executable. So now it's running on. Now we should get the IP address and the connection right here. Thank you guys.